Misleiding nommer 15. Om verlossing te kry met die gevoel wat jy in jou hart het. Die gevoel in 'n mens se hart is 'n baie kragtige motivering in elke verhouding, of dit met jou gade is, jou kollegas, familie of vriende, maar dit spandeer ook 'n baie groot rol met jou verhouding met ons Hemelse Vader en sy Seun en ons Messias. Baie kere wanneer ek met Christene praat en hulle vertel van om die Sondag wat nie die Sabbatdag is nie en dat ons Hemelse Vader se ware name is Jehovah en Yahusha, dan sê hulle dit maak nie saak nie, dit is net wat in jou hart is wat saak maak. Nou ons gaan 'n bietjie kyk daarna vandag. Wat dink Jehovah daarvan as jy net staat maak op wat jy in jou hart voel vir hom? Die Christen sê, ons Vader ken ons oor wat in ons hart is. En hulle is reg. En dit is presies die probleem. Jehovah sê in Hebreërs 4 vers 12, For the word of Elohim is living and working and sharper than any two-edged sword, cutting through even to the dividing of spirit and being, and of joints and marrow, and able to judge the thoughts and intentions of the heart. So wat jy voel en wat jy dink, weet hy. So hulle is reg. Nou kom ons kyk wat sê Jehovah oor die mens se hart. Hy sê, die hart is desperaat siek. Jeremia 17 vers 9 en 10. The heart is crooked above all and desperately sick. Who shall know it? I, Jehovah, search the heart, I try the kidneys, and give every man according to his ways, according to the fruit of his deeds. Dit beteken, fruit of your deeds is jou daaglikse lewe wat jy elke dag doen. Jehovah sê, die hart is ewel, 'n gruwel vir hom. Ons lees in Spreuke 26 vers 25, Though he speaks kindly, do not believe him, for there are 7 abominations in his heart. Hy sê die hart lei tot perversiteite. Spreuke 23 vers 33. Your eyes look on a strange woman, and your heart speaks perversities. Psalm 101 vers 4. A perverse heart turns away from me. I do not know evil. Jehovah sê, die hart is trots. Psalm 101 vers 5. Him who secretly slanders his neighbor I cut off. I do not tolerate one who has a haughty look and a proud heart. Jehovah sê ook dat jou hart dwaal af. Psalm 95 vers 10. For 40 years I was grieved with that generation and said, They are a people who go astray in their hearts, and they do not know my ways. Jehovah sê, die hart is dwaas. Psalm 14 vers 1. The fool has said in his heart, There is no Jehovah. They have done so corruptly. They have done an abominable deed. There is no one who does good. Die hart word in die geheim verlei. Job 31:7 en 27. If my step does turn from the way, or my heart has gone after my eyes, or if any spot has clung to my hands, so that my heart has been secretly enticed, and my mouth has kissed my hand. Onthou die volgende, jy kan nie Jehovah mislei deur voor te gee nie. Want hy weet alles, hy sien alles. Lukas 6 vers 45. The good man brings forth what is good out of the good treasure of his heart, and the wicked man brings forth what is wicked out of the wicked treasure of his heart. For out of the overflow of the heart, his mouth speaks. Maar as jy in torre gehoorsaamheid voor Jehovah wandel, dan sal die volgende op jou van toepassing wees. Job 11 vers 13. If you would prepare your heart and stretch out your hands toward him, Jeremia 24 vers 7, and I shall give them a heart to know me, that I am Yahuwah, and they shall be my people, and I shall be their Elohim, for they shall turn back to me with all their heart. Dan volg die volgende. Luister mooi, dit is so pragtig. Jeremia 29 vanaf vers 12 tot 14. Then you shall call on me, and shall come and pray to me, and I shall listen to you. And you shall seek me, and shall find me, when you search for me with all your heart. And I shall be found by you, declares Yahuwah, and I shall turn back your captivity, and shall gather you from all the nations, and from all the places where I have driven you, declares Yahuwah, and I shall bring you back to the place from where I have exiled you. Dit verwys na die tweehuislering, waar Yahuwah sy kinders versprei het oor die wêreld as gevolg van hulle sonde en hulle volharding in hulle sonde. En hy bring hulle terug. En die meeste van hierdie mense, glo ek, is Christene wat moet terugkom na Yahuwah. Wandel in sy begeerte. Kolossense 1 vers 9 tot 11. This is also why we, from the day we heard, have not ceased praying for you, and asking, luister mooi, that you be filled with the knowledge of his desire in all wisdom and spiritual understanding, to walk worthily of the Master, pleasing all, bearing fruit in every good work, and increasing in the knowledge of Elohim, being empowered with all power according to the might of his esteem, for all endurance and patience with joy. Oh, dit is so pragtig. En dan die volgende, ook so mooi. Gee dank aan ons Vader Yahuwah. En ek sluit af met Kolossense 1 vers 12 tot 14. Giving thanks to the Father, who has made us fit to share in the inheritance of the set-apart ones in the light, who has delivered us from the authority of darkness and transferred us into the reign of his Son, of his love, of the Son of his love, in whom we have redemption through his blood, the forgiveness of sins. Hallelujah. Praise you.